I'm going to let you into a little secret. I used to recruit accountants, and if there's one thing accountants are fantastic at, it's being cynical, being skeptical, and being a little bit pessimistic. And actually, in accounting and finance, those are strengths, right? And if I was your sales director, and you came to me and was like, so what are you actually going to close this year? And I gave you a number, you'd look at the client list and you'd go, how many of those clients are still going to be clients this year? And if I said, oh, it'll be fine, you wouldn't let me get away from that. You'd be going, Alex, I think we need to be a bit more realistic. Let's budget for 20% of our clients leaving this year. That way, if we replace those clients and they don't leave, we're going to grow. Because your pessimism forces realism on me. The challenge is that you don't do that with yourself. Because we shy away from business development, when was the last time you looked through your client list and thought, they're going to leave this year, or they're going to start recruiting their own finance team, or no, they're going to get their own internal audit team, or no, they're going to drop below the audit threshold? Are you predicting what percentage of your client base are not going to be using you this year or using you less? Because once you start doing that, business development becomes a lot more focused, because you know just to keep the lights on, just to stay where you are, you need X, Y, or Z amount of new business or additional revenues from existing clients. Do you have that number? If you don't have that number, you're failing in your duty as an accountant of your own business. As a sales guy, you would hold me accountable to that. You wouldn't let me get away with that level of positive thinking. But are you holding yourself accountable to the same standard? And once you know the number, you can then build a plan to either find the new clients or grow the existing clients. But you and I know there is no such thing as a good surprise when it comes to running a business. And that's your job, to take the surprises out of your firm.